Today we would like to share with you our special gift. Free unlimited access to over 24,000 courses for 2 months. The link to these exquisite materials can be found in the description. The entire learning library includes the following fields and topics: creativity, animation, film production, fine arts, graphic design, illustration, music production, photography, UI UX design, writing, business, accounting, business analytics, entrepreneurship, finance, freelance, leadership, management, marketing, productivity, technology, data science, mobile development, product management, web development, lifestyle, crafts, cooking. Enjoy this exclusive deal while it lasts. We hope that you find something interesting for yourself there. And as always, thank you for your time and have a great day.